Here we are on the sets of Life OK popular show Junoon ऐसी नफरत तो कैसा इश्क, wherein Cupid seems to have done his work by bringing Prithvi and Meera closer. Now let's ask Meera about this lovey-dovey scene.
Well, हम ऐसा कुछ शूट कर रहे हैं that there's a malfunction that happens to my dress और पृथ्वी को obviously because he's the hero he'll fix it in the end. And उससे पहले ऐसा होता है कि हमारे घर में मीटिंग के लिए कुछ foreign delegates आते हैं and we take up a social issue also that you know the lands that the farmers farming the lands, how they go, how they become they become like desert, like it gets deserted and it becomes infertile, बंजर हो जाती है, infertile हो जाती है when if there's a coke plant or any soft drink plant or if there is any liquor business. So how Prithvi saves the farmer, like you know we did it in a very very small sequence, बहुत ही छोटे sequence हमने shoot किया है, but in the meantime इन सब ड्रामे के बीच में वो देखता है, वो notice करता है that Meera has a dress malfunction, उसका zip snap हो गया है. So how he first protects her, it's very funny that I'm trying to serve and he's not moving from my behind. It's like, I'm taking water, I'm taking jalebi, and so initially he's doing all that. And so बस और उसके बाद ultimately जब उसे मौका मिलता है, so he's pulling me to a corner and saying, "अच्छा, let me fix it for you."
So when will Prithvi realize his love?
मीरा को तो I think मीरा को तो already पता है that she's in love with Prithvi. As long as Prithvi, as far as Prithvi is concerned, I think उसे he can feel it, but उसको self realization नहीं है, या वो accept नहीं करना चाहता, या वो ये accept कर चुका है कि Meera is supposed to be married to Akash, who incidentally happens to be his brother. So I think his mind thinks that he's given up on Meera, but his heart definitely hasn't. I think हमारा काफ़ी today conversational realistic setup है. So everything that will happen very very naturally, like how it happens to a couple, or how if there is love, कभी कभी प्यार होता है and वो रियलाइजेशन नहीं होती या वो मौका नहीं होता. सो आई थिंक विद एवरीथिंग when everything falls in place, they say na, when the unities, okay let me put it nicely, when the unities of space, time and action happens, then I'm sure Meera and Prithvi will fall in love with each other.
We hope Prithvi soon realizes and stand for his love. With cameraman Dharmendra, Ashima Mishra, Telebytes, Mumbai.